Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to play a melody using a buzzer with Arduino board. The materials required are an Arduino board, a piezo buzzer. If you do not have a piezo buzzer, you can use an 8 ohm speaker and some wires to connect the piezo buzzer. The piezo buzzer has two terminals. The longer lead is the positive terminal and the shorter lead is the negative terminal. You can also find that out by looking at the top surface of the buzzer. We are connecting our piezo buzzer to pin number 8 on the Arduino board. And we are also going to use the ground pin to connect the negative terminal of the piezo buzzer. Connect the positive terminal of the buzzer to pin number 8 and the negative terminal of the buzzer to pin ground. To play a melody, we need to upload the program on the Arduino board. Now let us connect the Arduino to the serial port COM2 of our laptop. Now let us open our Arduino IDE. It is loading. Now we will open an example program. Open File, click on Examples and select Digital and click on Tone Melody. This will load the default tone melody program, which I will explain in detail. The most important function to play any melody is tone. You have to give 3 parameters to function tone. The first one is the pin number, second one is the frequency, and the third one is the duration. Basically, any musical note has a corresponding frequency. So for that, I am going to use the musical note name as the second parameter. And the third parameter is the duration, for which I am going to play this note. To create a melody, I will play these notes in a sequential manner. Instead of remembering the frequency of each musical note, I will include a file pitches.h. Now let us look into detail about this file pitches.h. This file has a list of all musical notes with their name and their corresponding frequency. For example, note B0 has a frequency of 31 Hz. I will use these notes' name in a sequence to create a melody, and I don't have to remember their frequency as it is already tabulated in this file. In this particular program, I am using 8 musical notes in a sequence, and I am storing that in an array called melody. For each musical note, I will store the duration in an array called note duration. So this value will be 4 for a quarter note and 8 for an eighth note. To play this melody, I will use a for loop. Inside the for loop, I will have 3 functions: tone, delay and no tone. In this way, I will play the first note for the corresponding duration and the delay for the same duration. Using no tone function, I will have a pause for 1.3 times higher duration. If I copy this code in a loop, then it will get repeated multiple times. Now our program is ready. Let us upload it to the Arduino. The Arduino is compiling the sketch now. Now it is uploading it to the Arduino board. Now let us see the output and check if we can hear a 8-note melody. Now you can hear a melody. Let us give the positive and negative connections to the 8 ohm speaker. Now let us check if we will be able to play the melody on the 8 ohm speaker. So as we have seen, if we store musical notes in an array, we will be able to play any melodious song. Now let us try one more program where I am using 25 notes to play a song. Now I have updated my musical array with 25 musical notes. One more change that we have to do in the program is to increase the for loop end limit to 25. Now our program is ready. Let us upload it to the Arduino board. Now I have uploaded the new program to the Arduino and let's see if we can hear a 25 note melody. Can you guess the song? Yes, it is Happy Birthday song. Now I will play this on the buzzer. I'm connecting the negative terminal now. Now we are able to hear the same song on the buzzer. Thank you for watching Science Gully. I'll be back with more videos soon. Till then, bye-bye.